How to duo in Monkey app chat with friends. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the duo feature in the Monkey app so you can chat with friends face to face. Let's dive in. So first go ahead and open the Monkey app and then sign into your account. You can go ahead and sign into your account with your Google account or your Facebook account. Now in here, go ahead and set up your profile name, your birthday, and your gender. And then once you're done with setting this up, go ahead and click on next. So make sure to select the correct gender since the gender can't be changed. And then make sure to allow all of the necessary permissions asked by Monkey app. And then after that, go ahead and click on this back button and that will take you here. So in here, you can go ahead and start your chat. Click on the duo mode and then in here, go ahead and select the friend to whom you want to create a duo chat with. So if you already have friends on the Monkey app, you'll be able to find the list of friends into this section. You can also send your friends invites through their social media platforms or copying your invite link. And that is how you can basically duo in Monkey app.